In this video, I will show you how to fix if you're getting a Roblox error message where it says failed to download or apply critical settings. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's a number of reasons which can cause this error to occur, so we're going to go through a few different methods and try to resolve this problem. Now, to start with, what you're going to want to do once you're on your desktop is you want to actually come down to your taskbar, right click onto a blank space of the taskbar, and then open up your task manager. Once your task manager is opened, what you want to do is come up to the search box at the top. In the search box, go ahead and type Roblox, and if anything does come up, for example the game client or Roblox Studio, all you need to do is right click and click onto end task. So make sure you do this for everything related to Roblox, whether you've got the player or something like that coming up, until there's nothing coming up when you search for Roblox. So now you've done that, what you can do is close down your task manager, and what you want to do now is come back down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, go ahead and type run, and then open up run underneath best match. So what we're going to do now is type into the run box, and we want to put the following, which is a % symbol followed by local app data, or one word, then another % symbol, and then what you can do is click OK. In this folder, what we're going to do is look for the Roblox folder. So this will be in alphabetical order. So you just basically want to scroll down to R, and you should see the Roblox folder here. Then what you need to do is double click to go into the Roblox folder, and in the Roblox folder, there should be a folder called versions. Now what you want to do is double click to go into the versions folder, and everything in this folder you just want to select and delete by basically highlighting and clicking the trash can icon up here. Once that's done, close this down and make sure at this point that you do empty your recycle bin so you have no versions of Roblox on your PC. What you need to do now is come down to your search box, and this time you want to type CMD. Command prompt should now come up underneath best match, and what you want to do is right click onto command prompt and run this as administrator. What that's going to do is bring up your command prompt, and there's a couple of commands we're going to type into here. So the first one is netsh space int space ip space reset, and then go ahead, hit enter. This is just going to take a second or two to run through, and you should get some code back like this. Next, what you want to do is type the following command, which is netsh space win sock space reset, and then again hit enter. Next, you're going to want to type ipconfig space / release like this, and then hit enter. And then you want to type ipconfig space / renew just like this, and then hit enter. And the final line of command you want to enter is ipconfig space / flush TNS, and then hit enter. Now that's everything done in this part. That's everything done in the command prompt. So what you want to do is type exit and then hit enter to come out of command prompt. Now the next step is very important. Make sure at this point you do restart your PC before doing anything else. So once you've done that bit with the CMD command prompt and you've exited out of command prompt, make sure before continuing that you do restart your PC. This step is vital. If you do not do this, it's not going to work. So restart your PC, and once your PC has loaded back through, what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to roblox.com, log into your account, and then just go ahead and select any experience. So let's go for please donate. And what you wouldn't want to do once you're on the experience page is press the play button to download and basically reinstall the Roblox player onto your PC. So just follow through the steps and get that downloaded and reinstalled. Once the player has reinstalled, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you run it as an administrator. So you want to locate this on your desktop or by using the search box to locate the Roblox player. And then what you want to do is right click onto the player, click onto open file location, and again we're going to right click onto the player, and what you want to do is come down on this menu and click onto properties. Now on this window that comes up, come out to the top, you can see we got these different tabs, and what you want to do is click onto compatibility, and then what you want to do is come down and take the box to run this program as an administrator down here. Also, you can change the compatibility. Sometimes this can work as well if you take this box, and then make sure to click apply and OK. And once you've done that, double click, and now you should be good to go. The Roblox player should now load up absolutely fine, no problem, as you can see. And you can start playing Roblox again without that annoying error message coming up. So that's how to fix the Roblox error, failed to download or apply critical settings. With that being being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.